Hey guys, Sean from Trailgrid Pro. Do you need to gain access to the wiring behind your factory head unit in a 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So there's a couple different reasons of why you would want to do that. You're going to add an amp, you're going to swap out your factory radio for an aftermarket radio. So a couple of things you want to do before you actually pull out your radio. So first, if we're swapping the radio out, we want to make sure that we eject any CDs from the factory head unit. Secondly, we want to go ahead and just check and make sure all of the speakers are working in the car prior to doing anything or removing the factory head unit. So for that, we're going to just go ahead, turn the truck on, let it go through its process, kind of go in, give yourself a little bit of volume, go into your sound. Now you're just going to want to go front left, rear right, front right. Just make sure all the speakers are working. So once you've completed whatever installation you are doing, you know that everything was working beforehand. So let's go ahead, front, left, I hear those. Go to the rear left. Now one thing you want to keep in mind is Toyota gives a little less power to the rear speakers, plus they're pretty low in the rear doors, so they're kind of hard to hear. Go over to the right, I can hear that. Front right are working. So go back to the middle and we're all set. So now we can actually go ahead and pull out the factory radio. So this trim piece here is what we're actually going to remove. You can do that with your panel removal tool, or you can do it, I like to do it by hand just because I don't want to mar up anywhere on the dash. So I'll usually start right here at the driver's side vent and just give a quick little pull. It releases, and then kind of work my way around, removing all of the clips. Now that will just pop right off. Set that somewhere safe. So now that we have our dash out of the way, we'll see our 4 10mm bolts that hold our radio in. So you can do that again one of two ways. If you have 10mm socket and wrench, I like to just use a small impact gun to remove it. Makes it a little bit quicker. So go ahead and remove all 4 of those bolts. So now I have all 4 of those bolts. I'm going to go ahead and just put those in the cup holder. So now my radio is unbolted and I can pull it out of the dash. So we can just slide it right out of the dash. Now you'll see we have lots of connectors that we need to unplug. So go ahead and remove all of the connectors. So we have the antenna connector, the USB connector. We have our big one there. And then we have our speaker and our speaker in power. So now we have that out. So now our factory head unit is out. We can make any connections that we need to make. If you're looking for awesome upgrades on your Toyota Tacoma, you can always check us out at www.trailgridpro.com.